Welcome to our tutorial on removing people from your lists on Twitter using your PC. Let's guide you through the steps to manage your list members. Start by clicking the more icon on the profile of the account you wish to remove from your list. Select Remove from Lists from the options that appear. A pop-up will show your created lists. Uncheck the lists you want to remove the account from. To confirm the removal, go to the Lists tab. Click on the list, then select List Members. The account should no longer appear in the list of members. By following these steps, you can easily maintain and update your lists on Twitter by removing accounts as needed. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this tutorial has helped you in managing your lists on Twitter. Keep your lists organized and relevant by removing accounts that are no longer relevant. Check your lists regularly to ensure they reflect your current interests and preferences. Start removing people from your lists today for a more streamlined and tailored Twitter experience.